Hey friends, ZenKahuna here, and it is time for some more isometrics. We're using our camouflage straps here. These are toe straps. You can look below for information about where to get them. So first thing we're going to do is put this underneath the leg and wrap it around. We're going to hold it like so. We're going to start with knees all the way together. So you're going to have a nice erect posture. And remember, for isometrics, what we're going to do is build into our maximum contraction for about 6 seconds, 4 to 6 seconds, and then hold it for about 6 seconds and then slowly release it. So let's go ahead and begin now to begin engaging. So feel as you're finding the muscle contractions that are required to really try and separate the legs as strongly as powerfully as possible. Don't hold your breath. Don't let any pressure build up in the head. And release. Okay, remember, the release and the buildup are both done slowly. All right, so then we're going to open the legs out a little bit. So we've got, let's make it about 4 inches between the knees, maybe 4 to 5 inches. And then holding our straps good and tight, we're going to push apart again. Breathing, pushing, give it everything you got, and slowly release. Okay. Then we'll go out a couple more inches, and you're probably noticing that as you're doing this, you're feeling it all the way up in the gluteus medius, and it's probably a little bit into the hip joints themselves, so that's good. But as you position your feet closer or farther apart, it creates slightly different requirements. So let's do it again. Push. As I've noticed before, and I've told you, this is not really much of a spectator sport, but this is a little bit of an instructional for you and a follow along. And then release. Now, if you don't have a strap right now, you can always just use a rope, or if you didn't have anything, let's remember, we're not limited by our equipment. We could also just use hands, right? So here we'd have kind of a double whammy, because if we put our hands here, we lean forward just a little bit, put our hands like so, elbows are bent. To prevent the legs from going out, I've got to be going in with the top. So you're getting a 2 for 1, so twofer. All right, here we go. So push. And most of you will find that your arms are much stronger than your legs in this position. And relax. Step them out. This time, go ahead and step them out even wider. And push. So you're pushing out with the legs, inward with the arms. So I'm getting something up in my shoulders, some pectoralis major, activation, little tricep, and gluteus medius. And relax. So, if you don't have anything, you can do it that way. Next up, we're going to do something for the inner thighs. So, what we're going to do is take our strap and bundle it up a bit, and we're going to put it right at the medial menisci. Okay? And we're going to push in this time. We were pushing out before, we're going to push in. So inhale, and as you're exhaling, begin to push. Now you should feel your glutes engage, gluteus maximus, adductors. Keep breathing and relax. Again, if you don't have a strap, you can put your 2 hands, okay? And push. And release. Now another way you can do it is bend your wrist, elbow on the inside, one side, and palm on the other, and press. Make sure you build it up and then hold it as tight as you can. 4, 6, and then release. So that option, right? Just sticking it in. Let's do it one more time. Let's open the feet a little wider and push again. Remember, breathing throughout, but maintaining your maximum voluntary contraction. And release. Good. So, with or without equipment, isometrics is one of the things you want to be doing at least some of every day. And once or twice a week, I'd recommend taking an entire 30 to 40 minutes to really do a thorough whole body, so your whole workout or play out, as we call it, is isometrically done. So remember, with isometrics, I always include some dynamic tension, which I'll talk more about later. So stay tuned for lots more videos. Remember, there's over 666 great videos on my channel. Enjoy them all. Peruse them all the way back years ago, and see all the different sorts of things that we use in primal nature play to keep ourselves fit and healthy and to maintain our healthy longevity. So, remembering that you are the guru, have a great day.